have a Hyundai Sonata. Some pretty substantial damage to the quarter panel. You actually see the paint's chipped out along the bottom, so we're gonna touch that up for the customer afterwards. You can see the dent in the door. Pretty big one here. And this is the first dent of 2021. So stay tuned. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an update here. I finished this one out on the door. Came out really good. Just kind of like a midway point in the quarter panel. Had to pull the bumper off and align the edge. The whole bumper cavity, or the quarter cavity, was pretty pushed in. So a little shaky looking right now, but should come out looking great once I'm done. Alrighty, all finished up on this large dent. The door came out really good. Had great access, great line of sight. Super happy with that, and more importantly, so was the customer. And then this is the quarter panel. So I'll pan around, try to show you guys some different angles, some reflections. A few wiggles here and there, but overall really happy with how this one came out. That bottom edge is really tough. And then, like I said, we just touched up aggressively. There's a lot of paint missing, so the customer didn't want to spend thousands of dollars on a paint job. So just did our best to touch it up for him. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.